You are watching BitBNS News.
Hello and good morning. Right now the market is completely volatile, so it is important for users to get to know what actually happening around the crypto world. What news is there around crypto? So for that, make sure you watch crypto news daily and keep yourself updated. Terra Classic on-chain volume doubles following 0.2% burn. Top Whale holding 15 trillion Shiba Inu just adds 96 billion SHIB, 322 billion in a week. Shiba Inu can now be used to shop on Amazon and subscribe Netflix. Elon Musk comments on Ripple CEO's brutal statement about SEC. South Africa classifies cryptocurrency as financial products. US Department of Justice sues founder of Helix Crypto Mixer to recover $60 million. SushiSwap looks to restructure governance with new DAO structure. Celestia raises $55 million to solve blockchain modularity challenge. Bitgate cryptocurrency exchange partners with Leo Messi. Hong Kong government considers permitting retail investments in crypto. Web 3.0 tokens react to EU metaverse competition concerns. CBDCs can work with stablecoin central bank trial fines. On-chain volume on the Terra Luna Classic LUNC network has surged the following 0.2% burn tax parameter change, as popular community influencer Classy Crypto highlighted in a Thursday tweet. Etherscan.io reports that the anonymous whale ranked 7th among the biggest Shiba Inu holders had just accumulated a staggering 96.74 billion SHIB worth $9,58,252 in one significant transaction. Shiba Inu holders can now shop on Amazon and enjoy subscription-based streaming service at Netflix using the SHIB trifecta, SHIB, Bone and Leash as payment method via FCF Pay Visa card. An unexpected crossover occurred earlier today when the US businessman and the world's richest man responded to comments made by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse regarding the US Securities Commission. Elon Musk replied to this statement with the short phrase "no way," as if with fake surprise, as if with the billionaire himself has also long been convinced of what Garlinghouse said. South Africa's Financial Sector Conduct Authority FSCA has announced its classification of cryptocurrencies as financial products, opening the door to the regulation of digital assets across the spectrum as laid out by the government gazette. The United States Justice Department DOJ has formally sued the founder of Helix cryptocurrency Mixer in a bid to recover $60 million civil penalty. In the lawsuit, the DOJ indicated that Larry Harmon, who managed the mixture, has failed to pay the civil penalty imposed on him over alleged laxity to implement measures to curb money laundering through the platform. The lawsuit filed on October 19 indicated. The SushiSwap community is discussing a new update proposed by a core contributor of the protocol. The update proposes the creation of a new DAO structure called MIGI. Other changes proposed in the update include using non-transferable shares in Sushi governance voting. Celestia project that aims to solve the perceived centralization problem in current monolithic blockchains has announced it has raised $55 million in the latest funding round. The round, which was led by Bain Capital Crypto and Polychain Capital, also saw the participation of Delphi Digital, Protocol Labs, Figment, Marvin 11 and Spartan Group among others.